Uh, this is another site, another application where you can earn money by uploading a receipt. Actually, this account is a USA account. Okay, I already had an account with this particular app. So, for the sake of this video, I created a new account so that I can walk everyone through the processes. All right, so there are but a few things I would like, important things I would like everyone here to understand. This is a legitimate application. You get paid while you upload your receipts from your shopping, okay, either in the United States or in the United Kingdom. Unlike the Fetch Rewards, this is also called Receipt Hub. So this Receipt Hub, you get a few benefits. Okay, actually, you get paid $5 for a 950 points. So I'm going to show you in this video how you can achieve this. Now, one thing you need to understand is you need a USA phone number. Okay, because you'll be needing your USA phone number to link to this particular receipt hug, and you also be needing your USA number for redeeming your rewards. Okay, so you get paid into your PayPal account, you get paid directly to your email if you ordered for um, a gift card, Amazon gift card. All right, so at this point, let me show you a few things you need to understand here. Now, if you click on this receipt, it's going to show how many receipts that have been uploaded. So here, since it is a new account, you can see that I need to snap a paper receipt, or I can link my online account. Okay, by linking your online account, it means that you can link your Amazon account, you can link your Kotso account, you can link your Walmart account if you have accounts with this shopping sites. Okay, you can as well link your account, and so that they can record, you can easily record your receipts on this site. So once you are registered on this site, you automatically have a 50 points, a 50 coins rather. So you automatically have a 50 coins, and then if you click on the survey, these are a few openings, a few things that you need to do. So you click on the survey. I'm going to take this survey by clicking on go. So I want you to follow up with these steps. Okay, so please complete this quick survey as accurately as possible for a reward of 30 coins. Okay, now what you need to understand is your demographic information is important. Okay, your receipt data is also important, and the survey answer, they are used for research results, okay, that brands and retailers purchase. So more information on privacy is available in the app under settings. Okay, so we are going to touch on that as well. So I'm going to click on N30 coins, and let's take this quick questionnaire, and then we'll end this reward. Okay, so if you are a male, you choose male. If you're a female, you can go in for a female, but for me, since I'm a male, I'm going to click that. And for this demograph, if you don't have a demograph, you can as well look for a demograph. Okay, So here is something that has worked for me, and I believe it can work for everyone as well. So do well to be able to be honest, in this. Okay, so remember that your demographic is important. Okay, so here, if you don't have a zip code, you can check out means where you can get zip codes. But for me, I already have a zip code, which I'm just going to put in here. I have a zip code, so you can use your own geographic region gift. Sorry, zip code. Okay, so this is my zip code, and yeah, I am employed full time. Okay, so my household income is this. So let's do our best to be um, honest. All right, so in this case, if you're a black African American, you can select that. If you are white, you can select that you are white. And for me, I'm married. So how many people lives in my home? I have one. I have three persons. And here you need to put in your real name, and also this name should be a name that is on your paper account, or the name that you have on your ID. Okay, so thanks for completing the survey. Upload receipt to unlock more surveys and more survey opportunities and earn reward. So you can click on upload to earn. Okay, so yeah, I already have the app on my phone. So let me just open it again. Okay, so now if you refer a friend, you can as well earn more while you refer a friend. Okay, so we'll talk about that. And let me click on rewards. So if you check here, you see that my point has increased from 50 coins to 180 coins. So next thing you need to do is to verify your device. Okay, so you have to verify your device, and then remember that you cannot use two accounts on the same device, on a single device. So for you to verify your device, you have to put in your phone number, which I'm going to do here. So I'm just going to put in my phone number here. Okay. Um, All right, so I'll write down my phone number and then uh, verify my device. Okay, so remember that I forgot to say that when you are about to verify your device, you need about 300. You need to reach 300 coins before you can verify your device. Okay, so let's wait for this to load. In the description of this video, I have uh my referral code. Okay, so if you use my referral code, you'll be able to get extra coins after you register with Receipt Hub. So after you register with Receipt Hub, and I'm going to drop in the link that will take you directly into this Receipt Hub. Sorry, because of the network. So now you can as well spin and you earn. You can come here, and then I don't want to make this video to be too long. You can spin here. So here I have just one spin. Okay, so you can spin here to also earn coins, and you can refer a friend to earn coin as well. And if you always save your receipt in your email address, you can just click on this email address, and then the instruction here is that if you link this your Gmail or your Yahoo Mail or Outlook, if you are going to link any of these to Receipt Hub, then they are going to automatically it will be easy for you to upload the receipt from that end, and then they are not going to automatically take receipt that you have on the email. Okay, but you are going to choose a particular receipt for them. Okay, so the last thing I would like to say here is okay, so let me claim this. So the last thing I'm going to say here is how you can okay, I'll claim this later, or let me just do it now. Okay, so what you have to do is to come to this. You can come to this part and click the account to open. Now once you are here, you can put in my referral code in this particular space, and then come into, if you've reached 300 coins, and then you want to link your phone number, you can click on account information, and you can also invite friends and verify your device. So these are a few things you need to understand. Then for receipt, you can click. Okay, let me go back first. Think. Okay. So while you upload the receipt, you need to allow for permission. Okay, so I'm just going to do that right now, but I'll end the video in this part. Okay, so if you are new to my channel and then you are finding my videos helpful, please subscribe to my channel. And if you need more information on how to generate a receipt, if you do not have a receipt, if you're looking for a way to get a receipt for Receipt Hug. You can as well join my WhatsApp community. Checking in the description of my YouTube channel, you will find the WhatsApp community link, and then you can join, and you get receipts, okay, for this particular update. And remember that your receipt that you are uploading should not be a receipt for more than 14 days. Okay, so uploading a receipt within 14 days will earn you coins, but receipts that are uploaded after 14 days will not earn you any coins. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and then thank you for subscribing. For returning subscribers, thank you for always sharing this video and then videos that I upload on my YouTube channel. Stay tuned, guys, for more updates like this. I still have about two receipt updates and more survey sites to be uploaded on this YouTube channel. So if you are looking for extra income and ways to earn money online, Survey Hub and Survey Payouts is also a channel where you learn different ways to earn money online.